everyone, so today I'm gonna word some words there are vowels. The example of the word lot. Lot. Here are the example of the vowels lot. Hot, shot, robot, clot, spot, cough, truth, wrong, want, what, washing, salt. Once again, hot, shot, robot, clot, spotted, cough, truth, wrong, want, what, washing, salt. And the example of the phrases: she needed lots of strong hot coffee. Second, the boss has a lot of dodgy old documents in boxes at the office. Third, she lost her plot at the allotment and had nowhere to grow her puppies. So that is the example of the vowels lot. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you.